I respectfully declined to answer because I honestly believe my answer might tend to incriminate me. Champions keep playing until they get it right. You can get much further with a kind word and a gun than you can with a kind word alone. There's no such thing as good money or bad money. There's just money. It takes many stepping stones, for a man to rise. None can do it unaided. Always overpay your taxes, that way you'll get a refund. I would rather have questions that can't be answered than answers that can't be questioned. It takes skill to be real. Nothing personal, it's just business. Las Vegas turns women into men and men into idiots. Love gets you hurt, trust gets you killed, and being real gets you aged, so said one of the realest men to walk the planet. There can only be one king. Always forgive your enemies, nothing annoys them so much. Either write something worth reading or do something worth writing. There is only one way to avoid criticism: do nothing, say nothing, and be nothing. The best is the enemy of the good. If you can't outplay them, outwork them. Don't let your tongue be your worst enemy. It's kind of fun to do the impossible. Revenge is a dish that tastes best when served cold. In my world, of course, it don't matter. You could be a gangster with a dress, you could be a gangster with baggy pants. There are 3 ways of doing things around here: the right way, the wrong way, and the way that I do it. It is the rule of law alone which hinders the rulers from turning themselves into the worst gangsters. Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. I asked God for a bike, but I know God doesn't work that way. So I stole a bike and asked for forgiveness. New love is so beautiful, and time just makes it ugly. I don't dislike my haters. They dislike me. I'm doing nothing wrong, I'm just me. You will face your most enormous opposition when you are closest to your biggest miracle. That which does not kill us makes us stronger. Push that snooze button and you'll end up working for someone who didn't. The best revenge is to live on and prove yourself. They laugh at me because I'm different. I laugh at them because they are same. There are 3 sides to every story: mine, yours, and the truth. It is better to die on your feet than live on your knees. Remember, no one can make you feel inferior without your consent. I got my own back. Everyone has a plan until they get punched in the mouth. I like to be myself. Misery loves company. You can never cross the ocean until you have the courage to lose sight of the shore. What is past. Never go back. Not for excuses. Not for justification, not for happiness. You are what you are, the world is what it is. Everything you've ever wanted is on the other side of fear. Never open your mouth unless you're in the dentist chair. God has a purpose and plan for your life, and nothing can stand in the way of it except you. Are you ready to listen? It's time to stand up and be bold for Jesus. I never lie to any man because I don't fear anyone. The only time you lie is when you are afraid. That's the way it is now. You can't find the heart of anything to stick the knife.
Hey winners, please subscribe and like now. Your support matters.